Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Rafika Diamanda, the moderator for today's presentation. We are from TRPL PBL Group 205 and we will be presenting the result of our project entitled Complaint Handling System for Hang Nadim Airport. Before we begin the presentation, allow me to introduce the member of our team. Muhammad Haki Gofur as the backend leader and tester, Putri Bakis as the UI/UX designer and business analyst, Fioni Azahra as the front-end programmer, Rofika Diamanda as the UI/UX designer, Berlian Putri Istana Jingga as the front-end programmer, Gabriel Vivaldi Panjaitan as the back-end programmer. Next.
Okay, next is problem fast. The complaint handling system Hang Nadim Airport is still conventional. Reports are submitted manually, resulting in slow response times and unorganized documentation. There is no system available to track the status of submit reports in real time, leading to a lack of transparency between reports and officers. The absence of a monitoring dashboard also hinders managers and directors from overseeing the performance of complaint handling comprehensively. So the solution is proposed by the team is to develop a web-based help desk system that allows users to submit complaints and suggestions digitally, enables the system to automatically send fast response notification to the reporter, provides a dedicated dashboard for administrators and management, supports real-time tracking of complaint status, and facilitates well-structured documentation to assist in data-driven decision-making. Okay, next.
Next, the application features. Some of the main features developed in this application include submission of complaints and suggestions without requiring login, data entry form for personal information, complaints and suggestions, an automatic fast response notification system, report status tracking based on unique ticket code, user feedback and rating after the report is resolved, role-based authentication for admins, statistical dashboards and report recaps, and the last is report export in PDF and Excel formats.
Okay, in the dashboard provide a brief description and information about Nadim Dash. Users are presented with two main options, submit a complaint or submit a suggestion. When selecting the complaint option, the user must first fill out their personal information. In the next form, the user can write their complaint and attach supporting evidence in the form of a photo. When choosing the suggestion option, the user is also required to fill in their personal information first. In the following form, user can provide their suggestion and optionally attach a supporting photo. Next. In the status tracking section, user can enter the ticket code that was sent to their email. This feature allows user to check the current status of their complaint and login admin can login in this page.
Dashboard admin, officer, team leaders, managers, and director can view incoming complaints, suggestion received, active admins, and total reports per month. They can also view statistic on complaint status, complaint level, complaint category, and average resolution time. Manage complaints, officer, team leader, and manager can manage complaint. They can edit complaints, view complaints, details, and view complaint history. Manage suggestion, officer, team leader, and manager can manage suggestion. They can view suggestion details and delete suggestion. Next. Feedback from officer, team leader, managers can view the assessment that has been provided by the reporter. Reporter data information. Officer, team leaders, and manager can view data of reporters who provide suggestion and compliance. And last, manage admin. Manager can add new admin, edit admin data, and delete admin data.
Okay, next is benefit of the application product. Improves the efficiency and responsive of complaint handling at Hang Nadim airports, allow passengers and stakeholders to submit complaints or suggestions anytime via a web-based platform, increases transparency through real-time tracking of complaint status, helps officer and management monitor services performance effectively, supports data-driven decision-making through dashboard analytics and report exports, reduces manual work and minimizes the risk of data loss or miscommunication, enhances user experience with an intuitive interface and fast notification system, and strengthens service quality and public satisfaction through structure and timely responses. Next.
Okay, this is a testing and validation plan. This in our project we use black box testing for our functional testing. This is example of applying of black box testing on our project. To add this, for example, functional ID with F001 and test case ID with test TC001. The test scenario is user can access complaint submission and suggestion page without logging in. The role of the test case is complainant. The expected output is complaint and suggestion submissions page opens and redirects to the home page. The status in our project is pass. We have F002 for this example, and next is F003 for this presentation. For example, is test case 005 is the scenario fill in complaint form completely and in the correct format. The role is complainant. Expectation is a success notification is displayed, and then user redirected back to the home page. The status is pass. Okay, next.
The next is minimum requirement implementation. The first course is statistics, the activities presenting statistical data. In an application using data visualization, the outcomes is to presenting statistical data in an application by applying data visualization and in-depth analysis. The second is data structure. The activities applying data structure concepts in applications such as implementing stacks, queues, FIFO, and Lilo. The outcomes applying data structure concept in application with real-world implementations. The third is introduction to project management, creating project plans, timelines, clear task structures, division of team roles, and the use of supporting tools. The outcomes planning and executing a project including timeline creation, project evaluation, and using commonly used project management software tools. The fourth is software design, applying good design fundamentals through use case diagrams, activity diagrams, etc. The outcomes applying sound design principles using use case diagrams and activity diagrams. Next, the fifth is object-oriented programming, coding application based on requirement using object-oriented programming language. The outcomes developing application based on requirement using object-oriented programming language. 6. Database programming, creating databases based on requirements supported with ERD or EERD, performing data normalization and implementing user access control. Developing database based on requirement with ERD or EERD support, conducting complex database application development projects. And the last is Indonesian language education. The activities presenting reports with proper grammar and net formatting. The outcomes explaining proper and correct Indonesian language, rule based on EBI, writing scientific papers with proper structure, and presenting ideas systemically and logically.
Okay, result and conclusion. The helpdesk system streamlines complaint submission and management, enabling real-time tracking for user and data-driven decision for management. It prompts transparency, professionalism, and support the digital transformation of service at Hang Nadim Airport. Okay, that concludes our presentation on the complaint handling system for Hang Nadim Airport. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.